What's going on, you guys? So welcome back. Today we have something really special. We have these RC all-wheel drive oil-filled shocks. Yes, there we go. So really nice. They sent over these, and yeah, comes with a bunch of stickers. So yeah, let's just unbox them and see how to install them, and yeah, throw them on the Gladiator. Really nice stickers. Shout out to RC all-wheel drive. Go give them a follow on Instagram. Shocks. Look. This is for the bottom, the shorter one, and this is for the top. So of course you can keep the stock mounting position. I have a bit different. You get two screws. The longer one is for the top, since it's a bit longer, the shock, and the shorter one is on the bottom. Yeah, these oil-filled shocks, they already come with a bit of oil inside them. You can open them and put more oil if you want to. I'm just gonna leave them like this for now. So yeah, in a minute you will see some running videos, so these definitely do more dampening, makes driving a bit more realistic in my opinion. So yeah, they're a great little update for the Scx24. Yeah guys, well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the running videos. Leave a like or a comment if you have any questions down below. Subscribe, I have more content on the way, and thank you for watching. Have a great one.